Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So, it's been a long while. At this point, it's almost a year since I was more serious about doing YouTube. Since last time I was filming, a lot of things has changed. And recently I've made some decisions so I can put more time and attention and effort into this channel. I don't know how different the hair looks, but I'm not actively putting more color into it. There are a little bit purple left. I just got it done, so it's a little ashier than before. I really like how it turns out, and I just got it done last week. This is the first time I wear them straight. Also, I got the new Airstrait. Basically, it's air wrap but straightener. I'm probably gonna do a video on it. I just don't know how I want to separate the content just yet. So far, I really like it. I did try to film the process of me using it before I filmed today because it is an interesting situation this morning. I basically had an appointment around 9 o'clock and I ran out of time. I used the blow dryer from the air wrap so that my hair is not like soaking wet, and then I put it in the bun. By the time before filming, pretty much everywhere else is somewhat dry and the bun was somewhat wet. I have a lot of hair, especially in the bun. It is impossible for it to dry. So the Airstrait you can use on the dry hair or wet hair. I will try to put in some clips so you can see the bun part. So my hair is naturally somewhat straight but not pin straight. But because I put them in the bun, it was somewhat curly, and then after the Airstrait, it all got straightened out. For today's video, it is that time of the year, but not quite. Most people probably knew twice a year Sephora will have their VIP sale where different tiers get different percentage off. I'm not entirely sure if it's once or twice a year. Sephora also offer Friends and Family sale. I find for this year, the Friends Family is more public than before. I don't remember seeing it on social media before, but maybe it's just me not paying attention. I find Sephora is trying to make the Friends and Family sale a little bit more low-key, a little bit more private. Most of the time, if you know a BA, you can get a code from them. But this year, I do see a lot of sites that got access to the links, and then a lot of people that follow those platforms can sign up from it. You can register for a one-time use 20% off coupon. I do know some lovely BAs, and I was lucky enough to get my 20% off coupon. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you what I got. It's more of like a condensed haul because I did do an order before the 20%. I'll get into it. Because of the 20% off coupon is one-time use, I want to make sure I got everything into the order. I'm also on a no buy or a low buy where I'm still allowing myself to try things out, but I will reduce the amount I buy. The past few months, even though I'm not actively filming, I will make purchases and think, oh, this will be a nice topic to do a video on, and I never do it. It ended up being me overspending my money. Realistically, I only have one face and I can only go through so much stuff. So I was trying really hard not to buy too much. Compared to some people around me, I'm still buying a lot more than what I can finish, but this is part of my hobby and I love beauty stuff. I'm just obsessed with new launches, different products, ingredients, all that stuff. Enough rambling, and you can tell I'm all over the place. I haven't been filming for too long. My understanding is that the 20% off coupon is one-time use only, either online or in store. It's easier to accumulate everything online than try to have everything available in one store. So for online order, you are able to use a promo code in order to get the 20% off. But for online order, each order you're only able to put in one promo code. Other than 20% off, Occasionally, there will be different promo code that's multiple times of the point or deluxe size samples or sample packs. This time, I believe the 20% off was from the 11th to the 20th of August. Right before the 11th hit, I saw a promotion going on with a promo code that gives you the new Dr. Dennis Gross Derma Infusion Serum and some peel pads. If you watched my previous video, you know I'm a huge fan of Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. I heard a lot of good things about the Derma Infusion Serum, so I decided to take advantage of the promo code. That's why you see 2 boxes in the thumbnail, because I do have a separate order. For this separate order, because I'm not using my 20% off code on it, I had some items that's already in the sale section. They are pretty good deals. I figured it's already a decent chunk off without the 20% off. So both of them are from Fenty. One is their portable contour and concealer brush. They are really soft. It's fluffy but dense at the same time. Especially after COVID, most of the time what I'm wearing is concealer only. This will be perfect for that. And then finally, we are trying to plan some trips to places. This will come in very handy when it comes to travel. Next, I have Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Dip Clip-on Lip Luminizer. This one is a very interesting product to me. I do remember when it first launched, it's a very interesting concept. Basically, you can clip it on anywhere, purse, pocket. The only thing I'm concerned is that when I'm out and about, I probably don't want to dip my finger into it. So that just makes it somewhat easy on the go, but not at the same time. But Fenty Glow is a really beautiful shade, and I do want to see how it actually works. Now it's on sale, I figured I would give it a shot. For a sample, I got a Kerastase hair oil, and then I decided to use some of my points. I got a mini NARS Laguna bronzing powder and a Makeup Forever Aqua Resist color pencil. To me, Laguna is always a very universal shade. This one does say 02 original, because I believe now the Laguna comes in 4 or 6 different shades that suits different skin type. Makeup Forever as a pro line, you just can't go wrong with anything from them. I really enjoy their eyeliner, and I find I rarely go through a whole eyeliner, so I find those travel size, points perk size is perfect. And now it's the whole reason why I put a separate order. The Derma Infusion Serum is a really nice all-in-one serum. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, bunch of peptides, so I'm really excited to try it out. And then the peel pads is like a classic best-selling, I don't really want to say resurfacing treatment anymore, because it's so much more than just resurfacing because of the 2-step system. In general, I do prefer extra strength, but having the regular one is really nice to switch things out once in a while. On to the main thing. Even though this box looks much bigger, just because I got bulkier items. Even though this is an unboxing, I already opened this box because I also ordered some stuff for my friend. So as soon as I received the package, I busted it open, grabbed the items out, and handed them over. If you watch my previous videos, you are no stranger to the Bumble and Bumble conditioner. The Invisible Oil line is my all-time favorite. Both me and my boyfriend enjoy this a lot. My only concern is that before, when I bought it, it always comes in with a pump. I'm not entirely sure why this time it doesn't come in one, and I really hope they don't send out return items. I don't think they will do that. I would assume maybe they just want to be more environmental cautious, so they don't send extras unless you really need one. Especially to include the pump, there's additional plastic wrap around it. Maybe that's why. Next, I got the Amika Bastille Brass Intense Repair Mask. Previously, I think holiday season, I got a mini pack of 4 items from that line: the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, and a leave-in treatment, I believe. To me, that shampoo is great for the brassiness, but it doesn't have enough cleansing power. The conditioner is just not as nourishing as the mask. Now I just decide to go in with the full size of the mask to keep the ashiness of my hair. It works really well. And as we were talking earlier, I love the Dr. Dennis Peel pad. So this is the extra strength. Next, I got the Westman Atelier Petite Sticks. One is the highlighter in the shade Nectar. One is the bronzer in the shade Biscuit. For the travel size, I don't think there are too many options you can pick from. But for me, I'm typically like a light to medium range. So I'm assuming that will work for me. I'm really not good at cream products, but I find ever since I started using concealer sticks, which I thought I wouldn't like, I really feel like I should branch out and see my options out there. So that's why I heard a lot of good things about the Westman Atelier sticks and I want to give it a shot. Last but not least, I got 2 Merit items. Merit is also one of the brands that's on my list. I've been wanting to try them a lot. Initially, I do have their concealer stick, contour sticks, and highlighters in my cart. And because I'm also grabbing the Westman Atelier items, I figured I would just grab one instead of 2. So for Merit, I got their mascara and one of their lip oils. In general, I do like lip oils. It gives you a little bit color, but it's super nourishing on the lips. Both the Dior lip oils and Clarins lip oils are 2 of my favorites. This one was quite popular. I have a lot of people around me quite liking them. I decided to pick one color to try it out. For their mascara, I never realized they have a tubing mascara. I always want to try a tubing mascara. They're easy to take off, stay really long, and they are smudge proof. So I really have high hope for this one. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. I feel like most of the time I'm off topic, but I'm trying to get back in to the groove. Anyway, for today I didn't do much swatches. I probably would do either like a triangle haul or full face new makeup to try out type of videos soon, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below if you got to the 20% off code and what did you get. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!